There's no dearth of glamour in that dugout, and you can spot Srisant there as well. India fast bowler.
That's me.
Come on, Hyderabad!
Rhinos at the moment struggling 20 for 5. Raman at this stage 5 ओवर हुए हुए 5 विकेट गए हैं राइनोस की 20 रन पे. देखना है कि कितने रन बन सकते हैं यहाँ पे बाकी 5 ओवर में.
सुनील, बैटिंग ऑर्डर में तो शफल कर दिया इन्होंने. अब्दुल्ला जो कल टॉप ऑफ द ऑर्डर बैटिंग करने आए थे, फिलहाल नॉन स्ट्राइकिंग एंड पे नंबर 7 पर बल्लेबाजी करने आए हैं आज. स्ट्राइक पर शांतनु. लेग बिफोर की अपील होगी, ये अंपायर संतुष्ट नहीं. और रेफरल खयूम बताना पड़ेगा अवेलेबल नहीं है.
Absolutely, he is asking for the referral which we don't have. Absolutely.
बट सुनील, हमारे पास बेनिफिट ऑफ द रिप्ले तो है.
वो तो है रमन. Absolutely, Kayum was on spot on. One more wicket would have gone if umpire would have seen from a different angle.
बच गए शांतनु. और अब यहाँ से जो भी रन्स बनाते हैं वो बोनस है.
बोनस तो है ही. एक फाइटिंग स्कोर भी चाहिए इस मैच में, कुछ तो जान आने के लिए. As it is, the match almost, I would say, has turned towards the Telugu Warriors.
पिछले ओवर में 2 विकेट निकाले थे सचिन जोशी ने. 21 पर 5 पूरी तरह से तहस नहस चेन्नई राइनोज की इनिंग्स. गुड शॉट. खाता खोलेंगे अब्दुल्ला. बेहतरीन फील्डिंग कैप्टन अकील की. चीयर सुन सकते हैं आप क्राउड से, क्योंकि कैप्टन 100% कमिटमेंट दिखाते हुए.
Absolutely brilliant effort from Captain Akhil on the boundary line. Great effort, saving 2 runs for his team, and a big cheer for him, local boy.
क्या बात. You've got to realize that, you know, these are cine stars, not professional cricketers who've taken the field, but they're giving 100%. And I think putting in a sterling performance.
Absolutely, Raman. It's very important for Rhinos to put more score. It's nearly we're getting the 6th over. There's hardly any score on the board. It's very important for them, especially Abdullah, to strike a few lusty blows.
Khayoum, here he comes for the 5th delivery of the over. That's again terrific stuff at the boundary rope at long on. Terrific fielding. They're prowling the boundary like warriors here, the Telugu team.
Absolutely, captain showing the first, setting an example for that. And one more. Another 2 runs saved for the team. That's the one. Brilliant effort. Absolutely, great effort. All these stars showing that they know muck with the fielding as well.
Full toss. Is that going to be called a no ball? No. Dot ball to end the over. 6 overs gone. It's 24 ahead of it. Sachin Joshi's back for his second over. His first over cost just 8. He picked up 2 wickets. And there could be one more here. Oh, just over. Lucky streaky boundary for Shantanu.
Absolutely, Raman. Sachin has showed his Josh. Josh दिखा रहे हैं. पहली ओवर
मेरे
में
साथ कमेंट्री बॉक्स में भी एक जोशी तभी रंग जमा रहे हैं.
जोशी को तो सपोर्ट चाहिए. जोश दिखा रहे. 2 विकेट निकाले थे पहली ओवर में, और इस बॉल पे भी ऑलमोस्ट विकेट मिलने वाले थे, मगर जस्ट चूका. फील्डर ने वुड हैव टेकन अ ग्रेट कैच. वुड हैव बीन अ ग्रेट कैच.
ये तो बोनस रन है शांतनु के लिए. Down the ground. सेफ बात ये थी कि बिल्कुल सीधा खेला था। और पिछला ओवर क्या जबरदस्त रहा था एसजे का। सचिन जोशी 2 विकेट पिछले ओवर में।
I'm glad SJ you are saying is Sachin Joshi, not the other SJ.
चलो आएगा
आप तो 5 से 6 विकेट की बात करते थे। चलिए फिलहाल 2 तो सचिन जोशी के नाम है।
I'm glad somewhere SJ is being mentioned to SJ. SJ to SJ. Very well done.
I'd like to share this with the viewers before match action got underway today. Sunil Joshi, it's so difficult to keep him away from the cricketing scheme of things. Oh, that was hitting outside leg, so no real challenge there. I'll come back and talk about it. Sunil Joshi, before the start of play today, had a cricket ball in his hand, and you can't refrain this man from rolling his arm over.
Raman, it's a diehard habit. It doesn't go just like that. You know, whenever we get a sneak peek, an opportunity, I would love to spin the ball.
And he can spin it on a flat surface. Cracker of a shot this, but has he cleared the outfield? Yes, he has. He's cleared the outfield. Another 6 for Shantanu. 34 sixes in the tournament.
Finally, we'll see the Rhinos dugout with some joy. Absolutely. That's a clean one from Shantanu. Picked up nicely. SJ this time getting the maximum punishment.
To be fair, he did have a boundary rider at long on, but Shantanu took him on. Goes again. This is just going to be a single. That's going to end the over. 7 goals.
Who we got? That's Raghu. He's a very famous actor in Telugu Warriors side.
2 overs, picked up a wicket today as well. 2 रन आउट हुए, 1 विकेट रघु के नाम, 2 विकेट सचिन जोशी के नाम। और अब वाइस कैप्टन तरुण गेंदबाजी पे स्वागत किया उनका। क्या शॉट लगाया शांतनु ने, मांगे उस्ताद।
शांतनु ने मांगे 6 और मिले 6। Absolutely rank shot into the stands, big one. जितने भी डॉट्स खेले थे तेलुगु राइनोज ने, he is going to make it count for every ball now he plays.
एक और बाउंड्री राइडर है, लेकिन केवल देखेगा। एक और 6, 50 का आंकड़ा छूती हुई चेन्नई राइनोज।
Absolutely, back-to-back sixes. You can see the Chennai Rhinos dugout, happy faces, flags flying. It's a great one.
One too many. यहाँ पे स्टंपिंग रेफर जरूर किया जाएगा, पर ये मुझे लग रहा है कि वापस पहुंचे नहीं है शांतनु।
देखना पड़ेंगे। Umpire, third umpire comes into the role now. I'm sure that's absolutely fine. Right behind the line. No ball. And next one. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I think it's there inside. Is there pretty much safe? Pretty much safe. Shantanu inside the crease. अगर Rhinos runs चाहिए तो fight करने के लिए Shantanu needs to play all the remaining 4 overs. That's where we can see some score nearing around 80, 75, 80 runs would be a good chase for Telugu Warriors.
बच गए यहाँ पे लगता है शांतनु, क्योंकि गेंद देखिए ऑफ स्टंप के इतनी बाहर थी, काफी दूर कलेक्ट किया स्टंप से हरीश ने, जो कीपर है। जब तक बेल्स हटाते वापस आ गए शांतनु। अगर कोई कहेगा ये कॉटन बॉल चांस था, तो मैं कहूंगा कि तरुण को अपनी उंगलियां प्यारी हैं।
उंगलियां प्यारी तो है ही है, बॉल के साथ वो भी काफी डिस्टेंस तक जा सकते थे। That's a powerful strike from Shantanu. Tarun getting a treatment for. That's another single from Shantanu. It's 12, 16, 17 runs already in this over.
और उस सिंगल के साथ अब 18 कर लीजिए.
आराम से आना.
आए जा रहे हैं रन्स दबा के.
Absolutely, that's the one. He tried it. Can he make it? Yes. Finally, Tarun has a wicket and the joy as well from the Telugu Warriors dugout.
And the wicket that's fallen is that of Abdullah. Akhil Kineni can, yes, breathe a sigh of relief. The vice captain's picked up a wicket. Look, take a look at the replay. Last ball of the over. Smacked down the ground. In fact, the fifth ball of the over, there was a wide as well. Straight down the throat of the man at long off. Yes, supporters are happy. Why not? 56 for 6. Abdullah gone for 4.
Absolutely, Rhinos 56 for 6. Another one from Sham. That's a boundary to finish the over. 60 for 6 after 8 overs.